student, today we are learn difference between petrol engine and diesel engine. Petrol engine is called SI engine, that means spark ignition engine, and diesel engine is called combustion ignition engine. Difference between SI engine and CI engine, difference between spark ignition engine and combustion ignition engine, or difference between petrol engine and difference between diesel engine. যেহেতু পেট্রোল ইঞ্জিন অটো সাইকেল ফলো করে অ্যান্ড ডিজেল ইঞ্জিন ডিজেল সাইকেল ফলো করে, আমরা বলতে পারি ডিফারেন্স বিটুইন অটো সাইকেল অ্যান্ড ডিজেল সাইকেল সেম. নাম্বার ওয়ান, in SI engine, in Otto Cycle engine, that means petrol engine, mixture of air and petrol vapor is admitted inside the cylinder during admission stroke as a charge. As a admission stroke, mixture of air and petrol vapor are intake in the engine cylinder, but number one, in diesel cycle engine, pure air is admitted inside the cylinder during admission stroke as charge. Only pure air are admitted in the engine cylinder as a charge. Number two, in petrol engine, here compression ratio is very low, varying to 4:1 2 or and 7:1, 4:1 থেকে 7:1 ভ্যারি করে. In diesel engine, compression ratio is high, varying from 12:1 to 18:1. Compression ratio is high in case of diesel engine, compression ratio is low in case of petrol engine. In petrol engine, number 3, in petrol engine, spark plug is used. Spark plug is used for ignition the charge. সেই জন্য এটাকে এসআই ইঞ্জিন বলে. আর নাম্বার 3, ইন ডিজেল ইঞ্জিন, হেয়ার employed an injector. Diesel is injected in the high compressive air. সেই জন্য এটাকে বলা হয় সিআই ইঞ্জিন, কম্প্রেশন ইগনিশন ইঞ্জিন. নাম্বার 4, in petrol engine, power is produced by spark ignition. Here only spark ignition দ্বারা power produced হয়. Here power is produced by compression ignition যখন এয়ার কম্প্রেসড হয়ে এয়ার রেশিও 12:1 টু 18:1 চলে যায়, তখন আমাদের কম্প্রেশন ইগনিশন হয়, ফুয়েল ডিজেল ইনজেক্ট করা হয়। নাম্বার 5, in petrol engine explosion take place at constant volume. explosion constant volume process এ হয়। in diesel engine number 5 explosion take place at constant pressure. Okay, number 6, in petrol engine, that is SI engine, it is light in weight, but number 6, in diesel engine, it is heavy in weight. Petrol engine number 7, petrol engine works on Otto cycle. Otto cycle follow করে, Otto cycle অনুযায়ী চলে। in diesel engine number 7, it works on diesel cycle. diesel cycle follow করে। number 8, for petrol engine thermal efficiency up to 25%, but in diesel engine thermal efficiency up to 40%. Okay, number 9, petrol engine occupy less space, whereas in diesel engine number 9 occupy more space. number 10, for petrol engine, that is SI engine, more running cost, and number 10, CI engine, that is diesel engine, here less running cost. number 11, for petrol engine, maximum speed vary from 3000 to 5000 rpm, but number 11, for diesel engine, maximum speed varies from 400 to 1200 rpm. Okay, number 12, in petrol engine fuel petrol are used, but it is costlier, এটার দাম বেশি। number 12, for diesel engine fuel diesel is used, but it is cheaper than petrol engine. It is cheaper than fuel petrol. Okay, number 13, in Otto cycle, here is a problem, P ignition possible, here P ignition possible. number 13, for diesel engine, here P ignition not possible. Okay, number 14, in petrol engine used in car and motorcycle mostly. in diesel engine number 14, used in heavy duty vehicles like trucks, buses and heavy machineries. Okay,